Yo guys, it's Mr. Exploit, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly fix the clock sync error that you sometimes may experience while trying to use Volcano. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your search bar, type date and time settings, press enter. Once you're on this screen, you will see underneath additional settings it says sync now. You just want to click on sync now. Make sure set time zone automatic is turned on, and that's about it. You can launch Volcano as so, and you should be good to go. Need any assistance, feel free to tag me in the Volcano Discord. My username is Chef.